Welcome back to Web API Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In the previous video, we have seen how to edit and update the role using the Angular UI and our Web API endpoint. In this video, let us try to add new role using the Angular UI and our Web API endpoint. And this is our UI. We have seen how to edit and save. And now we are going to add new role. For that, I have added the button here on top of our grid. Okay, plus symbol and add new role. Okay, when we click on that, it will display the pop-up with empty fields. So here you can see I have simply added one button. Okay, one button. And when we click on this particular button, it will call the same edit method where we are calling when we click on edit. The difference here is when we edit, it is sending the actual that particular row data to populate, but here we are sending the empty data. Okay, so that it will not get any data, it will be populated with empty values. Here, to improve this, we can make it more clear like this. And role name, description and is active equal to false, and role name is empty, role name colon empty, comma, description also empty. Okay, we are sending this data to fill in the form. Now if we go to the UI and click on add new role, nothing is there, it is empty. Okay, when the role ID is 0, we need to add it. When there is a role ID, we need to edit it. Okay, let's write that logic. So it is edit. So it is editing. And now inside this save, we are updating it. When save is clicked, we need to check if the ID equal to 0, then we need to add it. Okay, let's do this. If this dot form dot ID equal to 0, then we need to save it. We need to add it. Otherwise, else we need to update it. Okay, that's the logic here. And similarly, like we are updating, we need to create it here. Create role. Create role. Okay, for this, create is the endpoint. And this one is post, not put. Okay, create role is completed. Let's go here. Same copy paste and create role. That's it. Created. Unable to create. So now it is clear. If ID equal to 0, we are creating it. If ID is not equal to 0, we are updating it. Right? So the logic here we have written is if the ID equal to 0, create it. If the ID is not equal to 0, update it. Okay. That's it. Let's go to UI and click on add new role. Let's write test role, testing. Let's make it true. Save it. Create it. You can see the new record got added here. Okay, and we can update it also. So here we can update. Click on inactive, save it. So it became false and make it true again. Save it. saved, it became true again. Okay, so now we are able to create the role also. Okay, if you want to test it from the actual endpoints, click on this retrieve all. You can see the newly created role is displayed. Okay, test role testing. Okay, so that is how we can consume the endpoints from Angular UI. Okay, now we have retrieved the data, updated the data, adding the new data. So out of CRUD operations, we did 3. Okay, create, retrieval, updation is done. Okay, the only action left is the delete. Let's add the delete button here and let's implement the delete functionality by consuming delete endpoint from Angular UI. Okay, let's do that in next video, deleting the role. Okay. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.